I'm lost, like really lost. You'd think with all this, I'd have some direction, but there's nothing. I sit down to create and blank. The spark's just gone. People expect us creatives to always have something brewing, right? But no one talks about what happens when you don't. When you're stuck, and it's brutal. No one says, hey, it's okay to be lost. It should be normal, but it's not. We're just supposed to produce. But I'm not giving up. I can't. I don't know when or where it'll come back, but I have to keep searching for that spark. My intention, to find it again whatever it takes. Maybe being lost is part of it, part of the process. Maybe the spark comes when you stop forcing it. Maybe it's not about finding the fire, but learning to create the flame over and over again. So yeah, I'm lost, but maybe that's exactly where I need to be, so I can find something new, something I never even knew I could create.